Hey, so if you want to improve your productivity using ClickUp in 2026, this guide will walk you through step by step how to organize work, save time, and get more done without feeling overwhelmed. First, open your browser and go to ClickUp. Log in using your email address and password. Once inside your workspace, you'll land on the dashboard, which is the central hub for all tasks, projects, and team activities. Start by organizing your work into spaces, folders, and lists. For example, create spaces for marketing, operations, sales, or personal projects. Clear organization makes it easier to focus and prevents important tasks from getting lost. Next, create tasks and subtasks with clear titles, due dates, and priorities. Using statuses like to do, in progress, and completed helps you track progress at a glance. Breaking down large projects into smaller steps ensures nothing is missed and reduces stress. Leverage multiple views like list, board, and calendar. Board view is perfect for visual workflow management, while calendar view helps you plan deadlines. Even simple timeline views show task dependencies and help prevent bottlenecks. Automate repetitive tasks to save time. Set up automations for status changes, reminders, or task assignments. This ensures work moves forward smoothly without manual follow-ups, which increases efficiency significantly. Use dashboards to monitor team progress, workloads, and key metrics. Seeing everything in one place helps identify areas where productivity can improve and keeps everyone aligned on priorities. Integrate ClickUp with tools like Google Drive, Slack, Zoom, or email. Centralizing your workflow reduces app switching, keeps communication smooth, and speeds up collaboration. Finally, review your processes regularly. Optimize workflows, remove blockers, and refine task management to continuously improve productivity over time. And that's it. By organizing spaces, using tasks and subtasks, leveraging views, automations, dashboards, and integrations, ClickUp can help you get more done efficiently. If this helped, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step ClickUp tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.